That's all I need. One more.
So what is the TSP? What does that acronym even mean? And how do you become a TSP millionaire? Stay around for this video in the end so you guys will know all the secrets that I use to invest in the retirement account provided to us as a service member. What is up, Money Tribe? Mike Damazo here, helping you make sense of your dollars. So let's jump right into it. All right, on to a more exciting topic, the TSP. So the TSP is Thrift Savings Plan. I know what you're thinking, another acronym, but trust me, this one is very important. It'll help you become a millionaire based off how much you're putting in and then at the time that you're gonna be withdrawing. I could provide those numbers at the end, so make sure you guys stay till then and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. All right, so let's jump right into it. The G Fund. Get the F out of the G Fund. Basically, you want to log in right now, find your login, get the information, log into the TSP website, links in the description down below, and move it out of the G Fund. The G Fund is the worst fund. The G does not stand for gangster, good, great. It is horrible when it comes to the returns.
The reason being is, think of the different funds like an ice cream flavor. The G Fund is sour cream, and it is the worst. The reason being is the G Fund is the most boring one. On a 5-year average, its only return was 2%, which is less than what the inflation rate is.
Next up, we have the F Fund. The F Fund is a bit boring.
Think of this one as vanilla flavor when it comes to ice cream. The F Fund is a US bond index. No, not James Bond. More of a bond that on a 5-year average, its return was only 3%. So do me a favor, other than gently hitting that like button, gently get your funds out the F and the G Fund.
The S Fund.
The S Fund is composed of the Dow Jones, which is invested in small to medium-sized companies such as Disney, Coca-Cola, or Nike. So what that means is you're invested in not just that one company, but all of it bunched together. For that one, the average of 5 years, the return was 14%, and that's even better than both G and F and twice as much of what the I Fund is. This ice cream flavor is definitely, for me, rocky road. What do you guys think with the S Fund? With the S Fund, don't forget S for subscribe.
Next up, we have the I Fund. The I Fund is the International Index Fund.
The I Fund is definitely not an Apple product like an iPad, an iPhone, an iMac, and that's all the I products that I could think of right now. But what it is it is the International Index Fund. It mimics the Europe, Australia, and Far East market. So on that one, it is more like cookie dough. You got to think on a 5-year average, the return was actually 7%, way higher than the first two funds we've mentioned, which was the G and the F Fund. All right, so the last one we have is the C Fund. It is the Common Index Fund. The C Fund is composed of the S&P 500, 500 of the medium to large US companies. With that, the average return of 5 years is 13%. The C Fund is the cream of the crop. When it comes to ice cream flavors, this one is definitely cookies and cream.
So to go over, make sure you find the info on logging into your TSP to make sure that your funds are out of the G and F Fund. You know, make sure you check it, links down in the description. Do it after you like this video. And also, not a lot of people are investing enough in their TSP. That 5% that you may be putting in could be bumped up to 15%, 25%. It's crazy. I know, trying to max it out is definitely work, but it'll be worth it in the end to help you become a TSP millionaire. Thank you for watching. Make sure you gently like the thumbs up and smash that subscribe. Lastly, comment down below what you thought of the TSP, anything specifically you want me to cover with TSPs, if you want me to go over into more detail with the different funds. Love to hear it in the comments down below. So stay legendary, and I'll see you in the next video.